Welcome a new discovery method that I am talking. The solution of simultaneous equation by graph. I am using arithmetic progression, that is AP. The first question is very easy, fill in the blanks. Here the value of x is 3 and value of y is 0. So put the value of y is 0. In second, the y value is 4. So x value is minus 1. Now I see a value of y 0.5. Difference is 5u. So the value of x 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. And in last column minus 2 5u. In second equation, the coefficient of y is minus. Here both the value of x and y is either increase or decrease. See the value of x 0 to minus 1. Difference is minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5u. Minus 1 minus 5u. See the value of y minus 4 to 0. Here difference is 4. So value of x 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. In last column 4 0. Take our answer with both the value of x and y. 4 minus 1 0 is equal to 3. 0 minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. 3 minus minus plus is 9 is equal to 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. That is correct. In this equation, coefficient of x is 3 and y is minus 4. The addition of 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Constant minus 7 upon minus 1 is equal to 7. Put the value of 7 for both the value of x and y in table 7 7. We can find the second value of x by adding coefficient of y minus 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. And find the second value of y by subtracting coefficient of x. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. The table with first bracket 3 comma 4 and another bracket minus 1 1. If the equation of constant 0, then put the value of x and y both 0 in one column. And find the second value of x with the coefficient of y minus 2. With the help of AP, minus 2, 0, the third value of x is 2. Second value of y is subtracting the coefficient of x minus 5. Minus 5, 0, the third value is 5. The table in bracket minus 2 minus 5. In second bracket 0 0. In third bracket 2 5. Now we plot a graph. First point is 7 7 3 4 minus 1 1 and draw a line. Second table, the point is 0 0 2 5 and draw a line. 1 comma 2.5 is our answer. Coefficient of x is 2 and y is minus 3. The addition of 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Constant 4 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Take this value minus 4 in both the value of x and y. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Because of the one coefficient is negative, we increase both the value of x and y. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Complete the table minus 1 minus 2 to 0. Coefficient of y is 3 and x is minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Take this value in both x and y column. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We can find the second value of y by coefficient of x. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now complete the table. 5, 3, 8, 4. Now we take the point on graph. First point is -4, -4. Second point is -1, -2. And last one is 2, 0. Draw a line passes through these 3 points. On second table, the first point is 2, 2, 3, 5 and 4, 8. And draw a line passing through these 3 points. Now this two line intersects at the point 8, 4. That is our answer. Addition of coefficient of x and y is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Constant 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Take this value in both column of x and y. Because of one coefficient is minus, then we can increase both the value of x and y. 1 plus y coefficient 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus x coefficient 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now complete the table. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 7. Addition of coefficient of x and y is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Constant 3 upon 1 is equal to 3. Take this value in both x and y column. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Last row is complete. 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7. In this equation, constant is 0. Take the value of x and y 0, 0 in same column. We increase the x value by coefficient of y1, 1, 2. Because of both the coefficient is positive and we increase the value of x, then y decrease by the coefficient of x1, -1, -2. Now complete last row. Addition of coefficient of x and y is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Constant 9 upon 1 is equal to 9, which is big quantity. 9 minus y coefficient 1 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And 9 minus x coefficient 2 is 7, 5, 3, 1. If we take the value of x is 7, 6, 5, then the y value is 5, 3, 1. Now last row complete. 7, 5, 6, 3, 5, 1. Addition of coefficient of x and y is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Constant 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Take this value in table for both the value of x and y. Both the coefficient is positive and 1. So we increase the same value of x and decrease the value of y. I want the second value of x is whole number. Then we add 0.5, 3. 2.5 minus 0.5 is equal to 2. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now last row is complete. 2.5, 2.5, 3, 2, 4, 1. In this equation, the addition of coefficient 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3 by 0 is equal to infinity. That means we not define. Now here we have to move on to the process That is also correct on the previous example. Take the value of x3 and 3 into 0 is equal to the 0. Put the value of y. Because of one coefficient is minus, so we increase both the value of x and y. 1 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In last row, 3 0, 4 1, 5 2. Complete the table. Of coefficient of x, y is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Constant 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. Take the value of 3 for both the value of x and y in same column. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Complete last row. 3 3, 4 2, 5 1. Addition of coefficient of x and y is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Constant 4 upon 0. In this situation, we can take the value of x 4, y 0. Because of the one coefficient is minus and one coefficient is 1, I increase both the value of x and y by 1 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Complete the last row. 4 comma 0, 5 comma 1, 6 comma 2. If you like our method, then click like, subscribe and share for needed person.